Yoga helps me balance all aspects of my life. I have known about ISB since 10 years, and Sukanya ma'am is very approachable. Whenever I require her regarding my life or yoga, both, that brings a huge change in my day to day activities. I have learned so much from her. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Sunila Desai, wishing you a very happy yoga day. I used to do yoga for few years, but it wasn't until 2018 when I joined ISB that I knew the difference between doing yoga and doing it under supervision of such masters Inya, Mithila, Abida, Priya. They just motivate you to leave your comfort zone and stretch out and try for the new asanas, and then it all becomes so easy. The vibrations of the place, the energy that radiates from ISB is very magnetic. I get drawn towards it. Surya Namaskar being my favorite asana, everyone there used to know that Sunila likes Surya Namaskar. Well, waiting to be back in that place. One incident that I had cyst in my ovary, and 3 months continuous yoga, and I used to send my prana as per Abida ma'am's instructions towards to my uterus, to my ovaries, and in 3 months I took a scan and the cyst disappeared. So I'm sure all of us have a list of benefits that we had from yoga. So yoga is not only it's not exercise, definitely it is more of a mind, body and soul treatment. So it's a way of life. So I always tell yoga has to be inculcated in our lifestyle. I have a small expansion of YOGA. So it says young forever, omnipotent, glowing and attractive. So that's how positively I take yoga. So wishing you all again a very happy yoga day, and let's do yoga and enjoy life.
Namaste, I'm Rajni and I love yoga and I practice yoga at Indian School of Breathing, Chennai. It's the lovely place and the teachers are one upon one and no words to say about yoga. Yoga has benefited me in many ways, emotionally, physically, mentally. It's given me the strength which we require for nowadays life. And the day I miss yoga, I'm just in the anger mood. The day I practice yoga, I'm just calm, cool, and everything is just. The day I practice yoga, even everything falls in the place for me. So I would say you all should take a benefit of yoga. It's a must. It should be a part of like how we eat food 3 times. Just a half an hour to 45 minutes should be given to yoga every day without fail.
Which is your favorite asana?
My favorite is many, but among all is 3 the most favorite. One is baby pose, one is boat pose, and one is sniffing,
The dynamic breathing.
dynamic breathing, whirling, and
Okay.
pranayama is always favorite.
Namaste, I am Lakshmi and I practice yoga with the Indian School of Breathing, Chennai. Yoga and the association with ISB has helped me maintain my health, good immunity and a harmony in life. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Aisha and I recently started yoga classes, online yoga classes at ISB. What I really like about starting my day with yoga is that it makes me feel really energized and active throughout the day. I've also been noticing that my sleep patterns have become much better since I started doing yoga. I'm hoping to keep going at it and learn more and become better at it eventually.
Hi all, this is Padma. Here is my short story. I was working in an IT company for close to 9 years, but very recently I quit my job. The reason is my health. Because of the nature of my job and the work pressure I had, I was kept focusing on my work rather than my health. So this has started showing in me. My health started deteriorating day by day, and I could feel it very well. And hence I have quit. While I was working, I had a chance to attend few yoga classes. Since then, this was there in my mind that I should try yoga someday. I read many articles that yoga would make us better both physically and mentally. So I thought I should give a try to make my health a better one. Luckily, I got a chance to join ISB for the online classes. I am very new to this yoga one, and just 10 days has gone. I have kept practicing few asanas and breathing exercises. With that little experiences, I can tell that my body has become more flexible nowadays, and I am feeling more active. And the pain also, which I had earlier, was slightly gone. So I'm hoping that continuing all these asanas and breathing exercises would make me a lot better and improve the quality of my life. Yeah, I'm hoping for the best, and I always believe that yoga is there for the healthy life. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Preeti Ganeriwala here. I am associated with the ISB for the past 5 to 6 years now. I had joined there for my weight reduction, and as and when the time passed, say after another 2 or 3 months, after speaking to Inya ma'am, I decided to take up the teacher's training course. It was a very lovely course, and it got over in another 6 months, and there I was, interning with ISB, my favorite place. There was just no looking back after that. I kept on interning, and then I was taken as a teacher over there, taught students and kept on learning from Inya ma'am, Abida ma'am and Matilla, who have been the pillars of ISB and have helped me all throughout in this journey. I'm very proud to be associated with them. Thank you.
Namaste everyone. I'm Ami Kothari. I'm associated with Indian School of Breathing since last 1 year. The key feature of ISB is that the way they inculcate the yoga in you, which has personally brought a lot of happiness and peacefulness in me. The pranayama has really touched my life and got me very connected to my breath. So I would like to perform few steps of pranayama, of few breathing exercises, which has really helped me.